All right, here's my next patient, June Adams. She's in room number 7. She's feeling tired and headaches. I'm going to tap on this little icon here. Gives me a nice summary of her previous visits, so I can see it'll summarize the last 3 or 5 visits that she's had. I'm going to come into her medical record. I'm going to come over to my AI tab on the right, upon which I can see several tabs here. PrognoAI chat will allow me to ask medical related questions, and if I want to know anything medical, I can ask it. I'm going to come to Scribe, and I'm going to tap here on the record button. The system will then ask me if I have the consent to use the AI Scribe for this patient's visit. So once I have obtained that consent, I can indicate that. Hi, Mrs. Adams. I'm Dr. Rivera. It's nice to meet you. I see from your chart that you're here for some ongoing symptoms. How are you feeling today?
Oh, good morning, doctor. Not great, to be honest. I've been dragging myself around for the past couple of weeks. Just tired all the time.
Can you tell me more about this tiredness? When did it begin? And what does it feel like?
It started about 3 weeks ago, right after I got back from visiting my daughter in Florida. I thought maybe it was jet lag at first, but it hasn't gone away. It's like my body's running on empty. I used to walk the dog every morning, but now I can barely make it through grocery shopping without wanting to sit down. And on top of that, these headaches, they're dull, like a pressure behind my eyes, mostly in the afternoons. These do bother me a bit. My eyes feel strained, like I need new glasses or something.
And just to cover the basics, any new medication, supplements, or big life changes lately?
Well, I did start that new blood pressure pill a month ago. Lisinopril, I think. My pressure's been up and down since...
Thanks for that detail. The lisinopril could be playing a role. Sometimes it causes fatigue as a side effect. We'll keep an eye on that. Let me check a few quick vitals. Well, let's see. Your blood pressure is a 132/78. Your pulse about 62. Your respiration about 22. Everything looks stable here. I'd like to run some simple blood work today. A complete blood count, thyroid panel, and a basic metabolic panel to check electrolytes and glucose. We can also do a quick eye chart if you'd like, but I suspect it's not vision related. So that was a nice visit with my patient, June Adams. You'll see here I can tap on the Scribe summary button here, and it has taken that conversation, which was actually quite lengthy, and it has pulled out the important pertinent parts of the conversation and pulled it into this nice summary. You'll see that down here I can proceed to review or edit the summary and then to add it to the patient's chart. So I'm going to tap on the proceed button. Here it brings me into where I can see all of the information that the AI has collated from our conversation. I'm going to select a primary complaint here from my ICDs. So this was fatigue. Has the patient reports 3-year history of fatigue, lethargy, and dull pressure-like headaches, mostly in the afternoons. If this looks good, I can go through these sections one at a time. Notice the vitals, it put automatically those vitals where they should be. The plan, order blood work, complete blood count, thyroid panel, basic metabolic panel, recommended increasing the water intake, and then we have our order for blood work, complete blood count, thyroid panel, basic metabolic panel, all there. So this all looks good to me. I'm going to go ahead and submit to the final note. Now, if I go to the Progress Note tab, you can see how it's put that into our note. So everything is nicely there, and we've got our nice AI generated note from today.